Well, it's snowing pretty hard. Cleared the driveway like 3 times, and it just keeps coming down. Hey, it stopped snowing. Well, hey guys. Keith 6 here, metal detecting in Alaska. Woo! Do we have a storm last night? We got way over 6 inches, I think. And then the wind kicked up later on. And you know, typically we don't get a lot of snow here in the winter, or a lot of wind in the winter. But man, it was blowing like 45-mile-an-hour gusts last night. So anyways, I got up a little bit late. So I'm out and about now. I had to get up and watch some YouTube videos to get motivated. And so now we're out and let's go see what we can find. No pets. Alright, so I guess it's the calm. Ooh, look how deep. I guess it's the calm after the storm. Let's get over here and see if we can find anything. You can see where the wind was blowing the snow. Look where the snow was coming down so hard it filled that slide up and then it slid down. That's kind of cool. Alright, we're ground balanced, so let's get busy. Alright, hey, I got a target. All I've been finding is aluminum foil. And this is pegging me a good 58, so probably a nickel. Oh, it's in the loose, I moved it. Oh, there it is. Yep, and it is a nickel. Sweet. Like I said, I haven't been finding too much other than just aluminum foil. So I'm glad to find this. Can't read the date on it, but it's in better shape than most. Alright, let's keep looking. Okay, I'm getting 2 targets here. There's an 87. And there's another 87. So I'm thinking it's 2 quarters. And it's a buried. Let's get our trusty pin pointer here. Okay. You know, I made that self-defense for metal detectors the other day, and somebody said, talked about their leshy. And I agree. These are a good self-defense weapon if you need to use them. Oh, look at there. Some big money. Alright, so I'm assuming the other one's a quarter too. So let's check it out. That was right here. Ooh, my hands are getting a little cold. It's like 0 degrees here this morning. Alright, well that one must be a little deeper. There, let's see what we get now. Here we go. Look at there. Quarter number 2. Cool, I found 55 cents so far. better than aluminum foil. Alright, let's keep a looking. Well, it ain't much, but I found me a stinking Lincoln. Let's keep looking. Alright, I think I just found one of my favorite targets. Oh yeah, a zipper pull. I'm just joking, of course. Cool. I thought this looked really cool. Of course, it's not doing it that great now. Okay, so I hunted all that out, and then I came over here around these swing sets. Look at this. I think I might have found something cool, dude. Or guys. I'm talking to myself like people are here. Oh, look at that. Alright, alright. Sweet. Alright. This looks like it might be real, guys. Oh, I see writing, I see writing. Definitely I see writing. Let me see. I can't read it. I keep thinking I see 10K something. I need glasses though, I can't see that. Whoa, I dropped it. Alright guys, this is ring 6. Ring 6. I can't believe it. Gross. Oh man, it's thawing out in my hand. Sweet. It was ringing in the 50s. If it was silver, it would have been in the 80s, so it might be white gold. Might be white gold. Sweet. Alright, ring 6. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm about ready to go now. I found my treasure. Let's go get some coffee and get ready for the roundup. Sometimes it's blood, sweat, and tears. Da-na, da-na, da-na. Dun 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 dun. I think that's one of the coolest inventions, auto start. Warm car. Well, that was an awesome hunt. Let's go home and get ready for the roundup. Well, the car says -3. Getting coffee. Okay guys, here's everything I found today. Wasn't a whole lot, but I did find one goodie. Okay, so I found a bunch of aluminum foil, a couple buttons, a couple bobby pins, one of my old zipper pulls, not mine of course, just what I usually find, a penny, a nickel, 2 quarters, and then I found ring number 6. And guess what? It does say 10K. So it's 10K white gold. Sweet. Alright. And this is dedicated to my buddy Wild Bill. First gold of the year. 6 rings, so far 1's gold and 1 is silver. Alright guys, that's it for the roundup. Till next time, I hope everybody has good luck and happy hunting.